Welcome to Complete K-12 Essentials. First grade vocabulary sight word list 8. Always. Bob is always a careful driver. Away. Our dog Buddy runs away from strangers. Cake. My birthday cake had 7 candles on it. Do. Do your homework, Mother said. 5. There are 5 donuts left. Good. Our baseball team is very good this year. How? Sue asked me how to repair her bicycle. Line. The teacher drew a line on the chalkboard. No. Bob told our dog Buddy no, and he obeyed. Party. Sue left the party early to pick up her sister at the airport. River. Although the river was wide, we built a bridge to cross it. Slide. The water slide was tall and scary the first time. The. Sue placed the cat in its carrier for the trip. Under. Our dog Buddy was hiding under the bed. Who? The leader of the band asked, "Who can sing this song?" Well, that was fun. Learning is always fun. Safe learning place. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel.